Good afternoon, teacher. This is my presentation about Actividad Integradora 2. My name is Marcela Cortés. Well, in the first slide, I analyze case 1. So for this case, I create a poster with a motivating message. The message is, this is a safe place to make mistakes. Remember, we are learning. So the main purpose of the message is that students don't be afraid about classmates or teachers' opinions when they are using English. Because the most important thing is that they try to use L2 in the class. So the idea is that they feel confident in the class and then they start to use English language in the activities. Well, I have 2 activities for speaking exercises. I have the topic dice and I have a short film. In the topic dice, the idea is that students have some interesting topics. For example, food, sport, famous person, free time activity. The students are going to work in pairs. The idea is that each student is talking about 30 seconds about the topic. It's good when students work in pairs because they are going to feel more confident at the moment of speaking. Well, in the activity 2, is a short film named The Butterfly Circus. It's a very beautiful film in which students are going to learn values, the importance of to have dreams. They are going to identify some characters. I will write some easy questions, and the idea is that at the end of the film, they are going to socialize ideas about this film. Well, in case 2, I have a strategy of grouping the students. I have using colors, using numbers, or using fruits. For example, I'm going to give students some fruits, and the students that have bananas are going to form group number 1. Students with pineapples are going to form group number 2. So the idea with these 40 students is including them in the group, that they interact with the other classmates. So this strategy could help in order to improve the discipline in the class. Well, in case 3, it's very important to have interesting warm-ups. So I have 2 activities. I have the magic box. In this activity, I'm going to present an important person in the world. So I will have some elements in a box. I will have, for example, a hat and a mustache. I'm going to show these elements to students, and they are going to identify who is the person. When I capture the attention of the students, they will get involved in the class. So at the beginning, they are going to identify the topic, and they will have the possibility to participate. Good. And we are going to study, of course, the biography of Charles Chaplin. In the second activity, I'm going to show students some fruits and vegetables. They are going to identify them. I'm going to socialize the name in English. And at the end, they are going to use these fruits and vegetables to prepare fruit salad, could be, So this strategy is very good because they are going to use in realia and they are going to interested in learning a new vocabulary and use those elements in the class.